Okay. Punta kami ng Ralph's dito sa Cerritos. Happy Friday, 5:44. Okay. So ito yung tinatawag na DMV Vehicle Registration License Services. Mga tamad pumunta sa main building. Dito kayo. Yan, ganyan lang ang proseso. DMV Vehicle Registration License Services. So yan. So renewal, vehicle registration renewal. Magkano? 164.
May service fee na $3.
So $164 plus service fee na $3. Training total of 167.20. So yan ang renewal fee. Registration. So may coins din naman dito. Okay, wala silang fresh fish. So lipat tayo ng H-Mart. Okay, jacket na tayo kasi medyo malamig na. So nandito tayo sa H-Mart. Medyo malamig na dito sa Cali. $4. Daming noodles. Yan, mga noodles lahat to. Iwas tayo muna sa noodles. Let's go. May aksidente yata rito. So tingnan natin. Accident. What happened?
It's a bad accident this morning.
Hey, Filipino? Yeah?
No, Cambodian.
Moja?
Chinese.
This morning?
Yeah, this morning around 8 o'clock.
Somebody died?
Probably. Right now,
Damn.
the firefighter tried to get someone out of the car, probably.
This morning?
There's another car behind the tent.
Wow.
I have the picture behind the tent right here.
We see.
Before my friend live up there, he could shot the picture from there. See?
Oh.
Let's see.
Teenagers probably, huh?
I don't know the speed you have. See? You see here? You see
You see
here?
here. You see?
See?
Two cars, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
I heard the rumor say there's a driver stuck in there.
Still?
Yeah.
Still inside?
Yeah. That's why the firefighter is up there now. Firefighter
shoot.
just get in there. And the ambulance, one of them just came out. I don't know why it take that long. I don't
I
know.
know.
I have no idea, but it look like head on.
Okay.
You see all the front is everything is messed up.
Damn, dangerous, huh?
Yeah, I know. It's school zone also.
It's school
I mean,
zone
I could
too.
hear people going too far around here. They
How
need
come?
to do something.
Grabe, oh. Aksidente. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, aksidente, oh. Ingat sa aksidente, ha. Ayan, may aksidente rito. Ayan, oh.
Oh, you got a Chinese tattoo.
Propane gas, just one. Exchange, yeah. Yeah. Natin nalagay. Exchange lang naman tayo. Ewan ko kung magkano ngayon. I'll pay first, okay? Propane exchange, please.
Okay.
Exchange, yeah.
Yeah.
Can good?
Yeah. Do you want your receipt? There already? Like.
Yeah, it's in there. The guy is there.
Oh, okay.
And can I have 1 mega, 1 power, 1 super?
That's gonna be in cash, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 sets of 5, yeah.
Okay.
For the fantasy.
Let me just give it to you. 20.
And
Here you
the gas, propane exchange?
go. They already gave it to you.
Ah, the receipt.
Didn't I give you
No,
the receipt?
not yet. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So mahalang gas ngayon. It's 32. Oh man. Nagmahal na. Hey my friend. Gas is getting expensive. Oh man. Because of the war?
Yeah,
I know. So what's the new one? Oh. Thank you. All right, bye.
So next time if you want, and I'm here, better refill.
Receipt? Yeah?
Refill.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, just say I want 4 gallons.
4 gallons?
Yeah,
How much?
come over there, around 21.
Oh, it's better if refill. Oh.
Until I told you.
Okay, I'm gonna Luis, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come and just refill.
Yeah, Luis or Carlos, he make a do it Tuesday and Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday enter.
Another guy, Carlos,
Carlos.
he has to do it.
Okay. All right, Luis, thank you. Okay. Mas mura pala pag refill. Refill tayo next time.